In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit hours on Fresha in our complete 2025 guide. Whether you're using the Fresha Partner app on iOS or Android, or accessing it through their website, getting started is quite straightforward. First, you'll need to log in with your business account. Make sure you have your credentials handy and then open up the Fresha Partner app or go to their website. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard, giving you access to manage your hours efficiently. Next, it's all about deciding what specific aspect of your schedule you want to modify. Fresha gives you three primary areas: business hours, staff shifts, and time off. Let's dive into each option a little more. Business hours can be seen as the broad strokes of operation for your salon, spa, or clinic, essentially defining when you're open to clients. Staff shifts, on the other hand, hone in on when individual team members are available to work within those broader business hours, and time off is crucial for those exceptional circumstances, be it vacations, sick leaves, or public holidays. Now, if you're particularly looking to adjust staff shifts, you'll begin by navigating to Settings and selecting Staff or Team Members. Once there, choose the staff member in question and click on Shifts Working Hours. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust start and end times, incorporate breaks, or even schedule additional shifts if necessary. Once satisfied with the updates, ensure you hit save to lock those changes in. If time off adjustments are on your agenda, head over to the calendar. Here, you can tap on the relevant day and time, opting to either add a new time off entry or edit an existing one. You're able to specify the duration, select which staff members will be affected, and add any vital notes. Again, make sure you save your changes so everything is registered in the system. Throughout this process, it's important to keep in mind that communication with your team is key. Letting them know of any schedule changes or updates ensures a harmonious workflow and maintains efficient operation. Fresha's intuitiveness is all about providing you with flexibility in managing your business's timing. That's how you effectively manage and edit your hours using Fresha in 2025. As you get accustomed to these functionalities, it not only streamlines your operations, but also empowers your business to cater to your clients' needs seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.